Hello, guys. I hope everyone is doing good. Today, I'm going to discuss one very interesting topic that is regarding the data fabrication, data manipulation to code, to test the code functionality that we have developed. So, as a software developer, we develop a lot of code daily, and when it comes to test the code with some actual data, it is very difficult. Most of the times to get actual data from the data sources. Sometimes upstreams are not ready. Sometimes we have a lot of hiccups in our data. So how to test it with the idle data? For that, we have a lot of methods to generate and manipulate or fabricate the data. Today, I'm going to discuss one Python module that is Faker, that has the capability to generate the fake data. Uh, it doesn't matter how much we want to generate. It just generated. For that, we need Faker module. We can install it using pip install. Let me run it. Then we can create instance of Faker class. Uh, if you want to see the simple examples of name model, if I call, so it will provide one name. If I call it next time, it will not give me the same name again. It will change it, right? It will change the name. If I run it again, new name, right? Again, it will give me new name. Likewise, email, likewise profile. So profile is having uh, all the details, like job, company, SSN, and why we can't use the actual data, because sharing test result, storing it is always a data security issue if we do it with the actual data. Because if you see the profile, this is the PII data, and it is not as advisable using to use these kind of data in the testing, or to store these kind of data as a test results, right? So this is one another use case of this Faker model, that yeah, we can generate the data. These data are meaningful, but at the same time, it's not the real password also we can generate. So just give you an example. Suppose we have developed one functionality to authenticate the user when it comes to the login page of our application. So when a user enter the username and password, the application will just see in the database whether that combination is present or not. If it is there, it authenticate or authorize the user. Otherwise, it will say you are not authorized to see the page, right? So I've written the small function for that, which will register user, and once it will collect the detail of username and password, it will store it in the CSV file, and the CSV file will act as a database for our application. Now suppose I need 1,000 data points, so I'll run it. Oh, I think something went wrong. Oh, I think the file is already open. Let me remove it. Let me remove the file as well. Let's do it again. Okay. Yep. So it already run, and we have the file again, and it is having 1,000 data points as we requested through Flickr modules. So see, if you can see the count is 1,000, and we have this combination name and password. So our application just see whether this combination present or not. If it is there, then it will authenticate, otherwise no. So that's how we can generate the data, fake data. We can utilize it to test any code, and based on the code functionality we can generate the data, move data we can generate. mm, and we can see how our application is behaving. So I think that's it for today's session. Just let me know how you feel about it, what else you want me to discuss on this forum. If you like it, we can, I think I can discuss more about synthetic data generation, some more techniques. Okay, see you guys, bye bye.